What's good, YouTube? We are back with another video. Appreciate y'all for tuning in as always. Please go like the video, comment, all of that, and please, most importantly, subscribe so we can keep the channel growing and keep giving y'all this good content. But with all that being said, let's get into it. Alright, so as y'all seen in the last video, I got a really good deal on a bumper from Facebook Marketplace. You know, I can't really be mad at it. It wasn't what I expected to go and get, but like I said, I can't be mad at it. Today, the wrap for it came in. As I told y'all, I had to wrap it because it's fresh out the plastic. I'm not going with paint. Paint's just expensive, to be honest. I love to have the OEM paint and everything, but that shit can get expensive. Plus, I probably wrapped this car like 50 times, so I'm not really too worried about having a permanent paint job on it. It might just be a B-roll of me wrapping because it's nothing quick and exciting at all, but it has to get done. So before we get into the wrapping and everything, I gotta wash the car. It's been 3-digit weather out here in Texas, not gonna lie. Like, it's been hot as hell, but right now it's pretty cool outside. It's pretty early, so I'm gonna try to get this car washed while I can do it without sweating bricks, bro. But yeah, with all that being said, let's get into it. Yeah, there go the whip. Yeah, finna get you washed up. Don't really look too dirty, but definitely could use a wash, so let's get to it. Alright, what's good again? We back. The car is washed, and with perfect timing, the post office lady just dropped the vinyl off. I'm about to do the Hellcat bumper install. I've been wanting to do this install for a long time now, and yeah, I'm very excited to do it, but I'm nervous at the same time. I bought this bumper from Facebook Marketplace, so hopefully this works. I'm gonna put this new bumper together, take my bumper off, install the new bumper, and then wrap it. I gotta put the stripes on and everything, but we're gonna make some shit happen. But yeah, first we gotta put this bumper together. All right, so we got the bumper cover, all the grills and everything, and the front lip. So let's get to it. Alright, what's good, gang? We are back at it. I know I started off as a time lapse of me working on it, but bro, when I tell y'all, I couldn't waste the film with me taking all the time I did trying to figure that shit out. Like, bro, that is one of the most hardest body parts I've worked with in my life. There's tabs that don't extend all the way, or some are broken, and so I had to make up for that using like glue and putty and shit. And then there's like 1,000 holes for rivets, but I cannot find any size rivet that fits that shit. So I had to go with zip ties. So there's like 1,000 zip ties on this hoe. I'm hoping this works out, bro. I'm really hoping this works out. I'm finna show y'all how many zip ties I didn't use for this thing, but it's been a process. My hands, my thumbs are literally numb just from trying to like force shit together and get shit to fit right. I guess that's what happens when you work with non-OEM products, but bro, that shit was hell. I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, let me show y'all all the zip ties I put on. Alright, so as y'all can see, the bumper is put together, but like look, all these zip ties, they got zip ties down here, of course over there. Yeah, we secured by zip ties, so I appreciate zip ties, but I hope they are secure. Yeah, with all that being said, everything is set up correctly. Now we just gotta go and take off the old bumper. I'm a little nervous taking this old bumper off because, as y'all know, I have the fender flares on it, and I just don't know how that's gonna come off or how easily it's gonna go back on. So gonna have to fight with that again, but rather just get it all done now, and at this point I'll be finished with it. I won't have to go back in and edit it no more, hopefully. Alright, we got the car pulled up. Let's get to work. Alright, let's get this hood popped. Now I gotta take these out. I already took the other one out. But the rivets that we are taking out are this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. There's gonna be 3 rivets we gotta pull out back here, plus a bolt like right here, and then a bolt right here. And same thing on the other side. And then it's like 7 bolts at the bottom. I'm gonna record the best that I can, but yeah, finna get to it. Alright, now we got those out. We have a bolt right here that we have to get on both sides. And that's a 10 mil. So finna get that. Alright, so we got those top bolts off. Now I'm about to go in and try to get these bolts by the fender. I have to be careful because I do not want to mess up these fender flares, but yeah, let's go in and get it. This is where I'm going in. I really probably should take the wheel off because I have the spacers on and it's kind of making it difficult for me to really get in there, but let's see. Gotta turn the wheel. Yeah, I might need to take the whole wheel off because I still have to reach this right here. Alright, so like I said, I have to take the fenders off, so I gotta split this vinyl real quick. Hopefully the vinyl looks clean when I go back in and clean it up, but when I wrapped it, I just covered the whole fender, even over the gaps. So now I gotta split the gaps and try to get this fender off. We reached a small issue. So this fender, this bottom fender right here that I need off, that shit is stuck. Like, my glue job was real good on that one, but on this other side I was able to work my way with it and get it off. Let's get it. Whew. I got that one, and now I gotta get in there to grab the one by the headlight. All right, for this next bolt is really giving me hell trying to reach it with these fender flares and these tires with spacers. It's just not giving me that room I need, so I'm finna have to jack the car up and take these tires off. But yeah, that should make the job much easier. Hopefully it's smooth sailing from there. All right, gang, we had to get a new jack because this jack broke, but good thing is we have a brand new jack. Let's get it. All right, we're ready to go. These motherfuckers right here are hell. Man, you understand, I didn't cut my hands up and everything, bro. Just trying to get these bolts, bro. I've watched videos of other niggas doing it and it did not seem like these bolts were that hard to get. But they are deep in there, like, y'all understand, they deep in there. But with all that being said, we got it off. So really we just got to take these bottom bolts off and we get to take the bumper off. So let's get it. All right, so now that we got the bumper off and we looking real creepy right now, I'm gonna start taking this off because that's gonna stop the bumper from fitting the new one. I'm gonna clean these headlights real quick because they are very dirty. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's super dirty. We're back at it and we're about to put the new bumper on. Damn. SRT boys. But yeah, there was a lot of stuff that I had to like plastic weld and shit. You see here, still kind of healing. Over here, had to plastic weld some shit together. And then this whole bumper is really held together by zip ties. I couldn't find any like rivets that would fit the holes, so I had to go with zip ties for everything. This whole bumper is held together by zip ties. As you can see, zip ties, zip ties, zip ties, zip ties, zip ties, zip ties, zip ties. Whole bunch of zip ties. But yeah, it worked, it's secure. I think it's gonna be good. Now we're finna put it on. Yeah, so we have the bumper kinda on. There's a few rivets holding it on right now, but I mean, we getting there. We getting there. It took a lot of zip ties, a lot of pushing and pulling and patience, dog. But as y'all can see, we made it. Not only have we made it, but we made it to another issue. Now the issue is the wide body kit fenders that I had on the old bumper. They're not fitting up right here. Like on the old bumper, slide in, it was good, but look, huge gap right there, and this part in the back is just preventing me from doing like anything. So I might have to go cutting. Really didn't want to cut anything. I hate cutting new parts and shit, but might just have to, honestly. Oh shit, I might have just did something here. I know, I thought I was tweaking when I had the Dremel tool in my hand, but bro, now look. We good right there. This is the only part that's kind of gappy, but I feel like when I wrap it, it's usually covered, so I can finesse that. Yeah, basically, I had to cut all of this back part. There's a huge back piece right here. I had to cut all of that just so it could fit flush into here. Hold on. Flush right there, flush back there. I said we're gonna work on this right here, and yeah, that's not too bad. Now the only thing is I have to basically fabricate the other side, the other fender flare, the same way, like make the same cuts that I did into this fender flare. This is the difference in cuts. As y'all can see, the right side is how it came and the left side is where I cut. Honestly, I'm just glad that I found a way to make the fender flares work. I just really don't want to use the old lip. Like, I really hated the old lip. I didn't hate the old lip when I put the splitter and the rods on it, but I hated it like the base model lip. Alright, so on this side too, as y'all see how it's not going flush at all. So I'm gonna edge it right here and we're gonna cut that off. And that's gonna make it more flush and maybe something in the back too. Let's see if this fits. Sorry this video has been super choppy. It's just, I'm really tuning in and focusing, and I don't have anybody to just record me in all the right angles that would make sense for the vlog, if that makes sense. So I really just been tapping in, try to get shit done, and hey, I can't be mad with what we have. I don't want to show it to you right now because it's in a very raw form, but good thing is we almost done. So yeah, finna get back to work. All right, gang, right now I have to use extra focus. We are really doing some tedious work right now. Basically, I'm making my own pinstripes because the company that I ordered pinstripes from the first time, I think they're gonna charge me like $100 just to get more stripes for the bumper. But I'm like, at this point, I paid probably like $15 for just a roll of white vinyl, and I'm gonna just etch the lines out myself. I feel like I trust myself to do it. So yeah, right now we are making our own pinstripes. What's good, YouTube? We are back at it, and honestly, I'm just glad to say that we reached the finish line of this project. I know it's been a lot of pushing, a lot of pulling. Wrapping this shit was hell, but honestly, I'm just glad it's done. I really don't have to tweak it no more. Probably the only reason I'll have to tweak it now is adding like a splitter on there with my rods and shit like I did before, but I'm gonna hold off on that for now. Just let it chill, let it be for now. But yeah, I guess we can get into the reveal. Yeah, I say that was a pretty successful project. So thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next mod video. Y'all know these car videos do not stop with the mods and shit, but I'm trying to get into some more performance now. I got a lot of the exterior done. Of course, I want to do some interior mods and everything, grab a taser, of course, but yeah, I think it's time to start tapping into some performance shit. So y'all stay tuned. It's gonna get real fun real soon. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.